Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Rockford County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elkhorn, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Muskego, Cudahy, Greendale, Pewaukee, Elkhorn, St. Francis, Heartland, Delavan, Hales Corners, Mucklenago, Delafield, Elm Grove, and East Troy. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Warner Botanical Gardens, General Mitchell International Airport, Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service